Hey guys, so we had a really nice win overnight there. We swung some Tesla calls and SPY calls, about 70% each at open. Really nice opening. Like I was eyeing this 390.1 for our opening. That's what I was going for. And then Tesla, I didn't really expect like a huge 5% gap up or whatever it had. I was more thinking we would push up this way though, but it got the job done. So what I'm seeing here is a massive fake breakout. So I talked about on Friday whether it was a breakout or a fake out. For me, it is a fake out. So what I'm seeing is that we were in this nice $10 range right here. We attempted to break out. We did break out here. And then we actually attempted, which is even more impressive if you think about it, that we in 2 days attempted to re-break into the previous $10 consolidation period right here, and we hard rejected. Not only that, but we fell and we closed back in this very, very key 390.1 to 378 channel. So we attempted to not only break into the the previous consolidation area, we attempted to break into this purple 390.1 to 405 channel, and we hard rejected. So I am looking for a big retrace. You can kind of see it here. We kind of have a massive cup and handle forming. I was kind of alluding to this on Friday, but I was waiting for it to play out more like this. So now with this rejection, we could see a retrace back in this way to kind of fill out the handle of the cup. So I just hate how these drawings work here on TradeView. You can't really make them look very nice, but so we're gonna get rid of that. But cup and handle is there. So what I'm looking for, Jay Powell is speaking in the morning, and I have a feeling he's going to be hawkish. He's not technically directly addressing the markets, but he is talking about banking stuff, and I guess it's some retirement thing for somebody in Switzerland. But whenever he speaks, markets always move. He has not been very dovish lately, and all the Fed speakers this week have not been dovish either. And I think he might mention something about rate hikes and that we're not going to slow, and that's what markets are going to key in on, and that's what they keyed in on today on the Fed speakers. So thing I'm looking for tomorrow is for a minimally 386.2 retest. This is the previous channel's previous resistance, now support. If we lose that, then we're going to be going back down here. Basically what I'm going to be looking for here is I'm looking for a retrace probably down in this area by Wednesday night into the 378 to 380 area. And then I think we're going to get a good CPI day based on the numbers that I'm seeing. Month over month is going to be a little questionable, but the year over years are going to come in good, and the markets have not cared about month over month as long as it hasn't been ridiculous lately. So I think we're going to get a nice reading. And pretty much what I'm expecting is a retrace to 378 to 380 over the next 2 days. And then by Thursday at market close, we're going to be back in this 390.1 range. And possibly by Friday, we will be back in this range up here, this 393 to 405 range. However, if we were to get a bad CPI reading, we're obviously going to be looking down here in the 360s is my expectation. Taking a look at futures here, you can see it more clearly. Pretty much this is our big range that I was talking about, that $30 range on SPY. So not only did we have a massive even star doji right here, we had attempted to break back in, which this previous support, I really have it as 39.35, but really the major pivot point was right here at 39.60. We attempted to break out, hard rejected. We even kind of closed under the 50 EMA, rejected that. This candle right here should result in a massive retrace tomorrow, just by the structure. I'll show it on Tesla, but this is also similar to an abandoned baby pattern. I would have liked, it would have needed to close a little higher, but with this evening star doji, we should see a retrace. I'm looking for minimally 38.95 to 38.70. And then from there, our biggest support areas are going to be 38.30 to 38.05. Take a look at Tesla here. I mentioned on Friday that we had this nice consolidation channel that was going here, and we had broken the falling wedge. So that was giving me upside push here, and I was looking for at least 123 to touch. I didn't think we'd get there in one day, but here we are. With this big upside touch and hard rejection, this is a true abandoned baby. So basically an abandoned baby is you have a big candlestick like this, and then above it you have a huge gap up Usually it's red, but it doesn't have to be. It's a gravestone doji, and then you're going to have a massive gap down, and it's going to abandon the baby. So basically, it is just an abandoned candle all by itself. You kind of saw the same pattern here if we would have had a massive breakdown right here. So basically, with this hard rejection of this resistance right here, we should eye a retrace tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm looking for 113.2, possibly even retest that 110 major support area that you can see we've had a lot of support at. So that's where I'm going to be looking for tomorrow on that. Taking a look at the VIX here, we actually have pretty much two different breakout triangles here. The VIX, which was interesting, and I guess that should have been our sign to open, was that we had a huge green VIX open and SPY also open huge green, and those two do not usually correlate or end very well for the markets. So with this, we did close back over technically the daily 20 and 8 EMA here. And this big old candle here should bring us back up this way, looking for about 22 to 23 tomorrow on the VIX. All right, I hope you guys had a good day trading today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for tuning into this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like to stay updated with my most recent videos. There is a lifetime Discord link there for you guys. If that one doesn't link, just go ahead and send me a message and I'll get you guys a new one. Some of the benefits of the Discord is there's a live trading, live intraday commentary. I also do an updated pre-market with support and resistance levels every day. You can follow me on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Reddit.